Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. The air quality today is horrible, so I'm not working, so I have a chance to give you a video. This is smoke from the fires in Canada, and I've been coughing pretty bad today. I haven't made any videos for a while because I've been pushing hard when I've had a lot of health troubles from this smoke. Today's the worst. It's just really bad air today. They have warnings. So they're saying don't work outside. But my main thing is the firewood business is just taking every minute of my time. And the air is pretty bad today. It's the worst it's been. But anyway, the firewood has taken off more than I ever could have imagined, and it's been taking all my time that I'm not ill, and I've had a lot of breathing trouble from this. It's not been this bad, but it affects me, and it's been weeks. So anyway, when I'm able, I work, and I've been working hard, and I've been unable to keep up with orders, so that all of my working hours are spent doing firewood. This is green right here, so that's why it's still on the shelf, on the racks. But I got some semi-dry. I've got a split, but I'm on a couple jobs right now where I've got to push through and get it home as fast as possible, because they're it's free wood and they need it gone now. And if it wasn't so great today from the smoke and the warnings for health, I would be out working. But I just have just been really doing a lot of firewood. I couldn't have imagined it could be this good. So I haven't had time for homesteading at all, and I haven't left YouTube. I just right now I'm swamped with the jobs. It is just hardcore intense. How many I've been coughing a lot. The jobs lined up right now are just unbelievable. The amount of free wood I'm getting lined up is just mind-blowing, and the amount of orders I have lined up is just insane. It is amazing. So that's all good, except for the health issues from the smoke. I'd be doing even better firewood sales if I wasn't struggling with the smoke. Anyway, I shouldn't be outside without a mask today at all. So I'm going to get in and just let you know I'm still breathing, although rough breathing from this weather. And I hope to get you a better update when the air clears and tell you what's been going on besides that. Not a lot, really. Mostly just firewood sales. A lot of firewood. So that's good news. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but it's bad. So I'm staying inside. I've got air filters in every room of the houses. Forget off-grid. I'm burning power today. I've got room air filters. Thankfully, I've purchased them through the years cheap. And I've got filters in every room of both houses. So I'm going back.